Hello everyone, and welcome back. Okay, so let's get to one of the most exciting aspects of the Omniverse, connectors. Omniverse Connectors are plugins for popular digital content creation applications. They create conduits through a Nucleus to other DCC connectors and Omniverse apps. The result is the connection of any number of DCC applications, Omniverse apps, and users to the same content at the same time. This innovative approach is a key component to real-time collaboration on the Omniverse. Now, and for the first time, tools like Maya, Revit, SketchUp, UE4, and others can all work together on a single project, sharing the same data at the same time. Additionally, the Omniverse can do this non-destructively, live, and across the globe. What's more, there is already a significant number of connectors today, and more are being added to the roster all the time. If you are a professional working in 3D, chances are a connector already exists for you. Tools like Maya, 3ds Max, Revit, Rhino, SketchUp, Unreal Engine, and more can now send, live sync, edit, and open USD data and enjoy first-class status on the Omniverse. For many users, these connectors will be the primary method for interacting with the Omniverse. Install the connector, fire up your DCC application, log in, and send. With minimal effort or change in typical workflow, your content can enjoy all the benefits of the Omniverse platform.